Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Asana timeline view for project milestone verification, detailed guide step by. Open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Log into your Asana account using your credentials. Select the project you wish to review from your project dashboard. Once inside the project, locate the tab labeled Timeline in the project menu. Click on the Timeline tab to access the timeline view of your project. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the timeline. You will see your project milestones represented as distinct markers on the timeline. Identify the specific milestone you want to verify. Hover your mouse over the milestone marker to reveal additional details. Click on the milestone marker to open its detailed view. Inspect the information displayed for the milestone, including its due date and description. Cross-reference this information with your project plan or plan document. Check for any dependencies linked to the milestone. Ensure that any tasks associated with the milestone are completed or on track. Use the timeline's zoom feature to gain a better perspective of the milestone in relation to other project components. Confirm if the milestone aligns with your overall project timeline and objectives. If discrepancies are found, take notes for any necessary adjustments. After verification, close the milestone detail view by clicking outside of it. Return to the project overview to continue monitoring your project's progress. Regularly revisit the timeline view to ensure ongoing alignment with project milestones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.